I just took my kids to their dad and I just pulled up my driveway only to find 3 dogs in my front yard. Already go back. Somebody left the gate, or the gate didn't click closed. I'm not sure what happened, but it flew open. And that's why we had to put air tags on our dogs, because they are sometimes escape artists. Good thing I got home in time, saw it, and was able to get them to the backyard before they went frolicking around the neighborhood like Patches. Let's go. Come on. It's still Christmas here. We have the Christmas rug out. Did you get your stick, honey? Where did you guys think you were gonna go? Were you visiting the neighbor's dogs? The neighbor's dogs were yelling at you. And there's Athena pulling on Zeus's collar. Apparently there's a storm coming tonight into tomorrow, and I can feel it in my bones. It is so cold and windy. It was warm, and we just had a major cold snap in the last couple hours. Delilah, what do you think about this storm, huh? What do you think about this storm? Say, I don't care. 3 eggs today. And I warmed up with a cup of tea and some caramel stroopwafel. Thanks for being with us. Take care.